Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new Bridal Beauty Box from Next Beauty. The Bridal Beauty Box is retailed for £20 and worth over £100. As all the Next Beauty boxes, inside we will find full-size products, travel-size products and deluxe-size products. In the overall value of a beauty box, the sample-size products are not counted. Okay, beautiful people, let's open the box. First we find a card and of course the useful leaflet. Now let's discover the beauty treats. First we find a nail polish, Gel Effect, Long Wear Plumped Polish by Nails Inc. London. In the shade My Fair Lane, the perfect polish for the big day, this gorgeous pinky nude shade suits all skin tones and it delivers a super shiny, highly pigmented color on the nails. I love Nails Inc. London nail polishes, they are great, resist well on the nails, like them a lot. Next we find a product from Lancome, their well-known face serum, Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. Advanced Genifique Serum is fortified with hydrating hyaluronic acid, glow-giving vitamin C and strengthening niacinamide. This super serum is a multivitamin for your skin. Here we have a product from Dermalogica, Daily Microfoliant. Ramp up your skin's radiance with this scalp exfoliating powder. It works to gently polish the skin to perfection and helps balance uneven skin tone for brighter, smoother looking skin day after day. Fourth, we find a product from Neom Organic London, Super Shower Power Shampoo. Purify and nourish shampoo with spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus. Treat your strands to a super-like experience every time you shampoo with this gentle cleansing wash. It's enriched with eucalyptus, rosemary and spearmint fragrance for a scent that transports you to a heavenly spa. Next we find a treat for our beautiful hands. It's from L'Occitane, Almond Delicious Hands. This hand cream envelops tired hands in the rich buttery texture of almond oil and milk, nourishing dryness and sinking in almost instantly for a soft, never sticky finish. Totally agree with that, a very good and nourishing hand cream. Sixth product from the beauty box is a face cream from Shiseido, Essential Energy Hydrating Day Cream, anti-pollution and with SPF 20. Help strengthen your skin's natural barrier with this soft moisturizer that gives quick and deep penetration to keep charging your skin with glowing hydration. Shiseido is a brand that I love and trust. Very happy to try this face cream. Next we find a face mask from Origins, Drink Up 10-minute hydrating mask with apricot and glacier water. It soothes sensitivity, instantly hydrates, and delivers long-lasting moisture in just 10 minutes. 8. I find a product that I have and I love is a mascara from Smashbox, Super Fun Fall/Look Mascara in black. This mascara will lengthen lashes to the extreme. I discovered this mascara recently and I like it a lot. It separates the lashes beautiful, the formula is not heavy, the wand is helpful. I have a short video about this mascara here on my YouTube channel. I will leave a link to it in the description box if you want to see it. Product number 9 is from Laura Mercier, the new Pure Canvas Primer, hydrating and silicone free. Infuse moisture into your skin with this replenishing pre-makeup primer. It ensures your skin kept feeling fresh and makeup glowing all day long. Next we have a product from Glam Glow, Glow Starter, Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, Nude Glow. Is a illuminating moisturizer that instantly brightens the skin and delivers a rush of hyaluronic acid, plus vitamins and green tea for energized and seriously hydrated skin. Next product from the Bright Beauty Box is from Elemis, Superfood, AHA Glow, Cleansing Butter, Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. Treat your skin to a glow-getting facial every morning with this gently exfoliating cleanser. It removes every last trace of makeup to reveal your skin's healthy look. Elemis is a great brand. Happy with this product. Product number 12 is from Benefit. Precisely My Brow Pencil, Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil in the shade Free Warm Light Brown. The shade may be a bit light for me. I had this brow pencil in the past and it's very good, very easy to use, like it a lot. And the last product from the beauty box is a perfume from Furla, Romantica. A joyful creation to be worn as the most elegant accessory for a charming woman. Romantica perfume blends sparkling black currant with delicate peony petals. Here are all the products from the Bridal Beauty Box collection by NYX Beauty, and guys, I am over the moon. Such a nice beauty box. I love it. What do you think? And this was today's video. I hope you like it and find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!